Hello, everyone. Today we are making the second episode of programming with MrZemo. And today we are making a circuit, what I call is a black bolt. As you can see, guys, I will put the video here for you to see. Let turn our red turns on, yellow, green turns on, and blue turns on. And red turns off, green turns off, and blue turns off. And this is extremely simple. So without further ado, let's begin the assembling process. The assembling process. All we need is three LEDs. I prefer red, green, and blue, and some cables. These type of ones. You can use longer or shorter ones. Does not matter. But I have these ones. And any resistors. These guys are extremely important for using LEDs. These guys decrease the amount of current and thus decrease the voltage. A lot of voltage means explosions on LEDs. We don't want our LEDs to explode, do we? So they need around 3.3 volts, but our Arduino gives 5 volts. So we have a resistor which decreases the voltage. The process is extremely simple. All we gotta do is place our LEDs. No colors does not matter, but I chose RGB LED green blue because it is the primary colors used in RGB LEDs, which are used in your television. Yes, these LEDs are the core of any televisions. People actually gave up watching television as much a long time ago, but also these guys are used in your phone. So you're watching LEDs turn on and off, change colors while it's speaking. So always use a black or a dark color cable for saying ground. Ground is absolute zero the of these guys. If you don't send the following current into a ground pin, it's just not going to work. So you will need to connect the ground. The rest are extremely simple. Red LED goes to 9, green one goes to 10, and the blue one goes to 11. I could not find a blue cable, so I will just go ahead and use a white one. As I said, the color does not matter. It just makes your life easier. Think of like quality of life. Nothing too important. And these cables mostly prefer black cables because it resembles ground. But I'm no rich guy, so I don't have any black cables. So I gotta use random colors. And this is it. This is our thing. Now, we, as per usual, we have to start with int LED. We are going to use different color LEDs, so we have to determine which LED controls which one. To make it easier, I said LED R for red LED, which is connected to the what was not 9. Yeah, it was connected. It is connected to 9. Int LED green is 10. Int LED blue is 11. So we determine which integer is which. Now we just go with as usual, pin mode, LED red, output. Don't be stupid like me and put T, not Y there. And I've just go ahead and copy paste because I'm extremely used to this stuff.
But if you're a beginner, please don't copy paste like I do. Write it actually. So, our void loop, the part that will continue forever. For this one, we are going to say turn on LED R, delay, turn on LED green, delay, turn on blue, LED blue, delay, and turn them off. Not at once. Turn off LED R, turn off LED G, turn off LED B. B, R is red, G is green, and B is blue. So, you know, the thing we're just going to do is digital right, LED R1 or high if you want to go with the fancy way, and add a little delay. Don't mind me. I just sometimes do weird stuff, write weird stuff. Delay 500. 1,000 is equivalent to a second. So with writing 500, we say wait half a second before this another action happens. As usual, I will just go ahead and copy paste. No, I won't copy paste for you guys. Digital writes LED green 1. Delay 500. Half a second. Digital write LED blue 1. And another delay. Now, all we gotta do is to turn them off. For turning them off, you just change this one with a 0 or write low with uppercase. And I'm a lazy person, so I will just copy and paste this part. Don't forget to change these ones to zeros or highs to lows, or you can do whatever stuff. Just make it sure that it turns off. We keep this little delay here because if you do not keep it here, it just turn off B and straight go back to turning on red. That's not what we want here. So this is our main code done. If it's possible, I will make another video today, but no promises, alright? So we plug on and select board, communication to 3, and alright, and upload. Yep, it is working. I will turn on the camera right about now.
This is our thing. LED red, green, and blue. Red turns on, half a second. Green turns on, half a second, and blue turns on. And delay of half a second, red turns off, green turns off, and blue turns off. This is what I call black bolt, but I'll just go ahead and say BÖLT. O is a different sound. O is just a weird sound, right? It's not only in Turkish, it's also in different languages, but not in English. But Ö, black birds. You will see this. You saw this in the programming one. If you put two slashes and that just completely eliminates that line, nothing happens there. So that was it. This is our um, thing. I still don't know what they're called. Alright, thank you for watching me, my stupid little video, and this is the thing you saw. This was it. This is the thing you saw at the beginning. You just created this. You should be proud of yourself. Think yourself as a baby making his first steps. He's just started venturing and learning. You're in that position right now. I'm not that advanced. I'm just a little child in terms of programming. So this was it. Thank you for listening to me and bearing my horrible English. Thank you. Love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share if possible, because I need money. Money talks, they said. Thank you.